video, I'm baking a delicious treat using ingredients that I have on hand. If you want to see what I'm baking, stay tuned. Hi friends, it's Karen. Welcome to the channel. We are in week 4 of the quarantine cooking series, At Home With Me. It's being hosted by the Sister Circle here on YouTube. And I want to give a special thank you to Denise Jordan of This and That with Denise Jordan and Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner for inviting the Sister Circle to participate in this At Home With Me cooking series. If you've missed the previous 3 weeks of the cooking series, I'll have the link for all 3 weeks in my description box, as well as the links to Denise and Kenya's channel. All right, guys, before I go over the ingredient list of, well, I haven't told you what I'm cooking. I am going to be baking a bread pudding today, you guys. And I'll go over all the ingredients, which are very minimal ingredients, really quick recipe, of course. But I want to, if this is your first time to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope by the end of this video that you would consider hitting the subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you'll be one of the first to know whenever I upload a new video. If you're a returning friend, welcome back. Thank you so much for supporting me in this channel. I really appreciate all the love and support. All right, guys, so I am baking a bread pudding today. Let me go over, as I always do, the ingredients of this bread pudding. All right, guys, so I'm going to be using some day-old bread. I've just got some bread here that's been sitting in my refrigerator for probably about a week or so, and that's what you want. You want to use day-old bread. You don't want it to be fresh bread when you make this bread pudding. So I've got my bread here. I'm going to be using 4 cups. So I am going to be cubing about 6 to 8 slices of this bread. Raisins, I've got 1/3 cup of raisins. 4 eggs. 2.5 cups of milk. This is 2 cups right here, and then I've got to add in a 1/2 cup of milk. 1/2 cup of sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. All right, guys, so I've got all my ingredients measured out and ready to go. I've got my casserole dish here that I'm gonna grease with this Pam butter spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and grease this casserole dish. Look how pretty this casserole dish is, you guys. I found this at Dollar General, one of my favorite stores that I absolutely love to shop at, but I wanted to just show you guys. Isn't this so cute? So I'm going to be putting this bread pudding in this casserole dish. All right, guys, so I am ready to get started. Let's jump in. I'm going to go ahead and cube up my bread. I'm going to layer that in the casserole dish, put the raisins on top, and then go on to the rest of the wet ingredients. All right, guys, let's go ahead and give this bread pudding, or bread pudding as we call it sometimes down here in the South. Let's go ahead and give this a try. It looks really good, guys, and it smells just as good as it looks. It's nice and fluffy. The bread is not soggy at all. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, you guys. Leave me a comment and let me know if you make bread pudding and if you vary any with your ingredients. Let me know. I'm curious to know. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. We have one more episode in this At Home With Me cooking series, so I hope to see you in that next episode, if not before then. Thanks again for stopping by. Remember to always live your life to the fullest every day, and I will see you in the next video.